Here we go now.
There's two poles up there, one on the ridge, one in the valley. We're gonna go after the shorter one. He's like closer to us. So they're not very active right now. We're gonna get close and put some heart bugle on them, see what they do. Yeah, let's go. Guess I came down here. Man, big. 360. 360. But I think he's a little crooked.
No, it's almost grown to 7, but it's not.
Big 360. One side's kind of like a ball, right? You got it on?
I got a little bit.
That's it. It's right there. You know, open. Why didn't you go there? You guys know that. He was coming to me. I should have walked there, man. You guys know that. He came down there.
I thought you were gonna come out.
No. I tried to come around, but there's down the ball there. I would have shot if he come out, but he didn't come out of that big tree. Man. Fuck all that work, man. Get me in. Oh, man. Big ball.
One stay. Big.
But he's not a very good looking ball.
It's pretty wide. It's good. But
One side he has like a ball. But you be able to see he's right there in the open.
I was in the tree.
Snow. Snow. Him. Holy shit. It's a bull, dude. He's coming. He's charging in.
Tell us what happened, Che.
Well, it's not good news for sure. Ran into a lot of bulls today. That'll be 7 to 8. 2 monster bulls. Got a shot off. Actually, a couple shot, but no good. No elk today. Wait for another day. A lot of action though. Stay tuned. We'll kill one soon.
What happened to the last one? How did you miss?
I didn't see those brushes and branches. Took a shot about 30 yards, hit a branch and deflect off of it. So that's how it goes. Big trophy, man, right there. That was close, man. It happens like that. Man, what happened this morning, man? After what happened this morning, I have no choice but to take him. It's a little small.
Six.
It's a little.
It's good. It's good. It's stupid. His third is pretty long.
It's not like the one this morning, but we'll take it. Damn. I hope. That's a good shot, right, Lou? I saw it right behind the shoulder.
It's good. It's a good shot. Because he would have noticed us.
He's looking at me.
Yeah.
He's looking at me.
No, he was standing forever.
Good thing I had those trees blocking me. He walked right out the tree. I just shoot him, huh, Lou?
Oh, see, look behind him. See?
Pitch trophy, man. You never know. It happens right away. We just get out the car, go for a walk, and help you go, and that's what you get.
We actually spooked this bull before.
I don't know if it's the same bow.
No, we spooked him.
I don't think it's the same bow, is it?
He went there.
You never know, man. That guy was lower down there. He wasn't hot like this one. This one was too.
Cow calling came to me.
I told him not to do cow calling because he would have noticed you. As I told you.
That was good. It happens, man. When elk happens, We don't have it. No matter how far you go, man.
But that's a good shot. Arrow's still in.
Yeah, I know. I can see it. Blood coming out right away. Yeah.
We don't even need a collar.
As you can see, we just shot a 6x6, 20 yard, less than 20 yard. But it looks like it's a good shot. Just took off. We're gonna go look for blood, see if there's any. I'll keep you up to date. Good. shit, I have to get something. $600 for.
Finally. Which is
Ooh. Now this is how you do it.
how you track it down.
Yeah. Elk master with pair trophies. Right here's the hunter right here. Chia. Nice bull right here. Oh man, look at those G3s. I told you, man. Oh,
I don't think he's dead yet. His fronts are huge too, dude.
I know.
Just weak on the back.
Oh shit, something needs to do. Oh, you got him.
Looks like somebody shot him already, right? Huh? Somebody shot him right there?
She don't. I will.
Irie?
Wolf bite?
Not too bad, huh? He's 300 class, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's 300 class, dude. He's not little.
6'7"?
That's huge.
6
Right here, too. 6'6".
Oh yeah. Bigger than you thought. This is the one
Yeah.
that last year.
It's bigger than we thought.
Too many silence. One bugle.
Double lunged it.
Yeah, but no blood, man.
He must have got poked here, man. Yeah. He lost his cows. Probably why he's chasing for cows. Don't.
Strong. Big nut.
Take the arrow out.
He's not bad, dude.
Dude,
His front,
315,
Make
dude.
it up for it, yeah.
This is front, dude. It's third. So good, holy shit.
love him, what's that? Can't do it myself, man. I'm not that strong. He just looked weird because he's right here.
No, man.
No, it looks weird, like right here. That's your normal. Oh man, I thought it was crazy. But these are crazy.
I know, those fronts are crazy. I'm gonna make up for it, right? Finally, man.
Yeah, finally got his elk. Idaho elk. After too many failed attempts. 360 to 350 to 305. Nice view here. Yeah. Good day. Nice and cool. All the way mountaintop. High country, baby. Yeah. This is what hunting's all about. Wake up to go pack elk and hear the bugles. Nothing like a nice sound in the morning. From here, we probably have 1,000 yards. Here we are. Oh, look at that big monster bull right there. Look at that monster bull. Here we are going to the monster bull. Oh, we finally tracked it down. That's how we do it. Taking all the backbone, everything. Nothing left behind. Even the stomach part is here too. We took everything out. Packed and ready to go. We're gonna make it a 3-trip because we want everything of the animal. Yep. It is. It's a big boy here, guys. We'll let you guys decide how big it is. 300 or just 200? Lou.
Hey, I'm filming you too.
Whew. Packing elk is not fun, but it's part of the job. Big bulls require big sacrifices. A lot of work. Oh yeah. Oh man. There's a monster on that guy coming up.
Here we go now.
It's a herb over here.
Here we go now.
Trophy. And here's a hunter right here. Yeah. Nice bull right here. Oh man, look at those creatures. I told you, man. Oh, crazy.